Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a kind of cool video. I was at Walmart earlier looking for the new Rimmel Magnifies Thunderstorm palette and the other one. But anyways, I did end up finding those, which I'm super excited about. But I also found these new, and they might not be new, but they're new to my Walmart. They don't have them at mine. These new Walmart favorites kits, and I think they had like 5 different ones. So they're like the kits from Sephora that you get from there, but they are significantly cheaper. I got the Glow Like a Pro kit, and then I got the Latest in Lips kit, and I've really not tried much out of either one of these, so I'm really excited to try this out. These were $9.88, so under $10. The Glow Like a Pro kit is valued at over $36, and the Latest in Lips is valued at over $47. So we're just going to go over them real fast, and then I'm going to put on one or two of the lip things. So yeah, we'll go over the Glow Like a Pro first. So this is a $36 value. You get an e.l.f. primer, a Hard Candy body luminizer, Sheer Envy matte setting spray from Hard Candy, illuminating makeup setting spray from Found, the primer base Hydrate and Smooth Master Prime from Maybelline, and then you get a Milani blush and highlighter. So pull it out. This is all of the things you get, which this is really cool. They had like a skincare set, accessories type thing. I think it had like a blending sponge and some lashes and some nail stuff. So you get the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer, which I've been wanting to try these again. I haven't tried these in ages. I'm still on the hunt for a really good primer. So it's just a kind of matte primer. And then you get the Maybelline Master Prime, the Hydrate and Smooth one. And I've never tried these. I think I've heard that they're good. But I'm really into hydrating primers right now, so it feels really nice. And then you get 2 setting sprays. Okay, so you get the matte Sheer Envy setting spray from Hard Candy. I don't think this is the one that smells like cucumbers. No, it's not. I really like their other one. I'm not sure what it's called. I tried it in that full face of Hard Candy stuff. And then you get this Found Stardust Illuminating Makeup Setting Spray. And I've never heard of this brand. I think I might have heard of it, but I've never used anything from it. It comes with a little ball on the inside of it. It smells like alcohol. It kind of stings like alcohol. I'll try these out though and let y'all know. It's actually all the way full. That's surprising. And then finally, the last thing you get is the Hard Candy Just Glow Body Luminizer Head to Toe Skin Glow. This is definitely not my color. Oh, you get the 2 Milani things too. I'll talk about those. Definitely not my shade. Hopefully it blends out a little bit lighter. So that's what it looks like. And I know these came out real popular after Fenty put out their Body Lava. So, I mean, it doesn't blend out very dark, so I could definitely use it, which is nice. It's just like a luminizing body oil. So, it gives you a nice, pretty little sheen. This would look really good on your legs or like on the shoulders. So, and then the last things you get out of this, it is the blush in the shade Romantic Rose. And I actually have this one in the big size, and it's one of my favorite blushes. These are just so pretty and so soft. Why is this not wanting to focus? So that's what it looks like. And then you get the highlighter in the shade 901 Afterglow, which I'm really excited about this because this actually definitely looks like it'll be my shade. And they're so cute. Like, these are the perfect travel sizes. Yes, that is absolutely stunning. I have very strong highlighter on today. So that's really cool. Like I said, this kit's $9.88, and you get all of that for your face. This is the latest in lips kit. It's a $47 value. It says go glam with go glam in an instant with our pout perfecting favorites. It looks like you get a lip mask, a hydrating lip shine from Neutrogena, a plumping serum from Hard Candy, Almay Goddess Gloss, Burt's Bees liquid lipstick, Flower Beauty liquid lipstick, and a Wet n Wild Mega Blast liquid cat suit, which is their like lip glossy formula. But you open it up, and this is what it looks like. Let's pull it out real quick. So you get all of these products. And they're actually really pretty, like pinky shades. The first thing you get here is the My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch from, not even going to try to pronounce where that's from. So it's just a lip mask that you put on before you apply your lip gloss or lipstick, whatever. The next thing is this Hard Candy Max Pout Plumping Lip Serum. It is the Supreme Volumizing Lip Gloss. I've tried their plumping gloss before. What does this look like? So it looks like it's just a clear gloss. It's kind of thick. So yeah, it's just a clear gloss. It does have a scent. It's not the best scent. We'll see if that burns my hands. Okay, and then you have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. This is in the shade Radiant Rose, and I've never tried any of these before. Let me turn it to where you can actually see it. So I know that the Neutrogena and the Almay would probably be like 10 bucks a piece anyways. So I think you're definitely getting your money's worth out of this because these seem to be full-size products. Whereas with the face kit that we just talked about, those didn't look like full-size. So there's that one, and it's just a really sheer wash of color. This says lips look and feel hydrated for 24 hours, and it does have hyaluronic acid in it. So that's pretty cool. Then you have the Burt's Bees liquid lipstick in the shade Tidal Taupe. And this is more of like a burnt orange sienna color. It was really pretty. It smells very candy-like. So that's what it looks like there. And this is a liquid lipstick, so this should dry down matte. And then you have the Flower Beauty Dark and Stormy Miracle Matte Lip. Oh, I guess it's turned the wrong way again. And the interesting thing is that they have the barcodes crossed off on a lot of these, so I don't know what's up with that. I guess they don't want you to sell it itself. I don't know. So I have not tried any Flower matte lipsticks. The only thing I've tried from Flower, ooh, I love this shade, is their highlighting trio, and that's like one of my all-time favorite things ever. So this shade is absolutely stunning. It's like that cool tone mauve color that I love. And then you have, we'll go with this one. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick in the shade Flirt Alert. Now, I do have one of these, I have the shade Mauve Overgirl, so I was actually looking at getting another one of these. This one's really cool. It's weird being such a mauve cool tone color, like in a lip gloss, because they are very pigmented. So, and then that's that shade. And my nails are purple from doing my purple shampoo. I apologize, y'all. My scalp's really purple too. That's why I'm not putting my scalp in the picture. So there's that shade. I like this kit a lot. Like, I like that they gave you shades that aren't just all the same super nude or bright pink. I mean, yeah, there are a couple bright pinks in here, but they're way more wearable. Like, I got the, what was it? Like the nude favorites or something like that from Sephora. And it had Huda, Stila, Makeup Forever, Tarte, something like that. And they were so nude that like it was like concealer lips. And that's not my jam. So I kind of feel like I wasted my money on that. Okay. Whew. That was tough. And then this is the Almay Goddess Gloss in the shade Angelic. This is really pretty. And I've never tried any Almay glosses, so. Ooh. That's so pretty. Can you see it? It doesn't pick up on camera at all. It's like a pink gloss with like pink and blue glitter. So that's really cool. I think I'm going to try out, let's go with the Flower. This is the Flower Beauty Dark and Stormy. It's not perfect. But that's really pretty. And I really like that they give you like a dark color to play with. And then I'm going to put this Almay gloss on top of it, right in the center. Yes. All right, guys, so final thoughts. I think these kits are fantastic. I wouldn't mind picking up the skincare one. It was bigger, so it's probably going to be a little bit more expensive, probably like $15 or something, but there were some really good skincare products in there. So, yeah, overall, I think these are great. They are probably better than the Sephora ones. I mean, yeah, Sephora, you get high-end brands, but for Walmart, like, you actually try things, and you don't feel bad for spending $10 on 8 things if you don't like 1 or 2 of them. So I think these are awesome. I think Walmart should keep doing them every year. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great rest of your week. Whenever I post this, I have no idea when that's going to be. But thanks so much for watching, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share my channel, please and thank you. Bye.